Hello everyone. So this is our first video, and in this video we will be creating EC2 instance in AWS. Okay, so let us start without wasting any time. So this is our EC2 instance service. Whenever you will go to your Amazon dashboard, it will look like this, and then you have to access your services here. You can search for the services, like if you have recently visited any of the services, it will be visible here, and here are all services available, and you can search EC2 from here. Like if you have to search, then you can search EC2, and here it is, EC2 virtual servers in the cloud, and you have to select it. Just click on it. You will be redirected to the EC2 dashboard, and then we have to launch an instance of EC2. Okay, so let's get started. Just click on this launch instance first, and then your instance will be launched on your location. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to enter your instance name first. So for example, any meaningful name you can give. uh, Suppose I am giving it my first instance. Okay, first instance. In this, you have to select your AMI means Amazon machine image. This Amazon machine image is a template that contains the software configuration basically. Then just click on any of this. Suppose I have to select Amazon Linux, and from here you can select any of the EMIs. If you have to go free tier, you can select any free tier eligible. Okay, if you have to pay anything, if you have to work according to your requirement, then you can select any of the AMIs here. Okay, next is this instance type. You can select any of the instance. Suppose if you have a small work, then you can choose t2.micro, or a newer version where t2.micro is not available. t3.micro is there, but here we will be charged if we are using t3.micro. Just see, let me show you. Yep, this t3.micro here is not free, so we will not go for it. We'll just choose t2.micro, and then if you have created a key pair already, then it's okay, but first of all you have to create a new pair, and in this you have to pair, enter your pair name. Suppose my key. Okay, this is my key pair name dot pem. I'll go with default settings only. I'll create this pair. It is downloaded here. Okay, so it is downloaded, and then what I have to do, I have to just keep the settings default. Let me tell you one more thing. You can configure your storage, and if you are using free tier, then free tier eligible. Here it is written that in free tier eligible, customers can get up to 30 GB of EBS general purpose SSD or magnetic storage. Okay, so that's all. You just have to select the number of instances. Okay, so I am creating just one instance, so I will keep this number as 1. Here is my information for the instance, whatever I am creating. T2.micro firewall security group, new security group. Its storage is 1 volume, that means 8 gigabytes. And yep, I'll just launch this instance. So my instance is getting ready, it is being launched. You can see this success message here, that this means that my instance is already created. Now what can I do? I can just check the launch log. It is initializing requests, creating security groups. Okay, so my instance is already created. Let's go to the dashboard where I can see my instance. And yes, this is my instance, this is my first instance. Instance ID is here, instance state is running, type is t2.micro, status check is initializing, alarm status no alarms, availability zone is here, and everything I got. And wait, yeah, when I just select this instance, I can work on into this instance if I want. Okay, so this was my instance creation. I can just connect from my instance, connect using EC2 instance connect, and I can connect it. Like suppose, just look here, I have connected to my instance and I'm into my instance. Now I can work whatever I want. I can write codes and snippets here. So that's all for instance connection. And yep, I have connected to my Amazon Linux, and whatever I'll be writing would be performed here. It is as same as your Linux machine that is installed in your system, in your local system. This is very similar to it. So thank you for watching this video. Let's meet into our next video.